Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lutein and zeaxanthin and answering the question, is it better to eat the foods that contain these compounds raw or cooked? Which is better? Now this is a tough question actually, because you're going to find that it depends upon the food and it depends upon the cooking method. And it's not an across-the-board answer, okay? It's important to know that cooking some types of food containing lutein and zeaxanthin reduces their concentration in the food, although it doesn't completely destroy the important antioxidants, okay? It may be reduced with cooking in some foods. Yet, when we cook other foods, the availability of it may actually increase. So there's no one answer, one size fits all on these regarding plant foods. If you prefer to cook your vegetables, perfectly fine. Lightly steaming them is usually the best way to cook them while preserving the most nutrients. So bear that in mind, because lightly steaming the foods, you are not submerging them in that liquid, and you're not going to lose a lot of components in the water and then dump it down the drain like you would if you were boiling the nutrients. So steam any vegetables or fruits or whatever that you want to cook, and you'll preserve the nutrients the best way you can. To get the most out of your leafy greens, check the USDA PDF document. I've got a link to that below, and it will give you a list of foods from the highest to the least amount of lutein and zeaxanthin, and it will tell you if they're canned, if they're raw, if they're cooked in some way, and you can determine for yourself which foods you like and the best way to prepare those foods yourself. But check out that link below. It's a really important chart. I do hope this helps you out. Don't forget to check the chart. The link is below in the description box. Take care and bye for now.